at G Exhaust. Ferrari California on the lift. We're doing a ton of Ferraris lately. Customer calls me, thinking about getting a Novatech system, doesn't want to spend $9,000, so we hook him up. G Exhaust special, do the G Exhaust cat back. You guys saw it, full titanium, weighs about 20 pounds less than the stock system. This is the stock mufflers off this car, super restrictive. This car sounds like shit from factory, so we opened it up. We did a titanium exhaust. You guys see it through there, perfect fitment, bolts right on, stock factory brackets. The thing fits like a glove. Bolts on to the rear section. All these pipes usually stay when you buy a catback. We upgraded the mid section to an X pipe that does have a factory H, so it'll give it more of that Ferrari V12 type of sound. This might be a V8, could be mistaken, but if it's a V12, hell yeah. If not, you know, whatever, V8, Ferrari V8. So, like I said, we dropped the rear diffuser. We popped these G Exhaust catbacks in there. The rear mufflers does have valve control. You can see the little vacuum line right here. It was disconnected when it came in, so we reconnected them. Added a couple bolts for the guy because it was missing a couple different things. You guys see, nice little vacuum valve, factory setting on a Ferrari, which is key. When you buy a car like this, you want it to be as OEM plus as possible, and this is the way to do it. You hit us up, G Exhaust catback, get you right. So we're just taking off this midsection. I'm gonna show you guys this X pipe. This is a special full titanium X pipe. I'm holding this thing with 2 fingers, guys. Titanium, baby. G Exhaust catback. You guys see it? Sheesh. All right. Like I said, super light, super lightweight, and the midsection kind of sucks on this car. So we're upsizing it a little bit. Direct bolt on, should slip right in and make this thing a little bit more aggressive. Equalizing the flow with a complete merge X pipe. You guys can see it. Special design for G Exhaust only. So like I said, if you're looking for a system for your Ferrari, we're doing everything from Californias to F8s to 488s. We got systems for you guys. So stay tuned. This thing's gonna sound like a beast. And it's a long time coming. When we had this system for this customer for a couple months, he's got it wrapped. You guys could see it's got a full wrap, bright ass red Ferrari blood red. And this thing's full carboned out. So it's got a carbon side skirts, carbon rear diffuser, carbon fender vents, carbon door handles, new wheels, painted the calipers, really popping, and front carbon lip, which is pretty awesome. I would go carbon grill. I think that would look pretty sweet, but I don't know if anybody makes it, and if they do, it's probably like $30,000, which is nuts, but sweet ass red Ferrari, bro. What more could you want, you know? So, like I said, we're slapping on this X pipe, gonna make it look and sound awesome. So, you guys see forged carbon rotors, and like I said, Ferrari spec shit, you know what I'm saying? We do specialize in Ferrari exhaust, so if you're looking for something like this, just hit us up, DM us on Instagram, YouTube, you know, just call me, man. Just call G, 954-708-6039. So, yeah, man. Like I said, pretty simple install, nothing super crazy. Most people take off the bumper on this car. The car just got wrapped, so we're trying to avoid taking off the bumper so we don't peel any of the wrap off. And you take the wheels, fender liners out, you could get this exhaust out, no problem. So don't believe the hype on YouTube. Everybody's removing bumpers. G Exhaust don't gotta do that, man. Save you labor costs, boy. Got the Ferrari all done. This is a bright red California, baby, with a V8 Ferrari red engine. Looks sick. When you pop a hood on a Ferrari, this is what you want to see. That bright red, infamous valve cover. The thing looks insane, or the intake manifold, my bad. These are the valve covers on the side, which are also red, which is pretty sweet. You guys can see the plaque chassis number. All Ferraris have that. And yeah, man, the exhaust system sounds amazing. Full titanium catback by G Exhaust. So if you're interested, you got a Ferrari, an F8, 488, 812, a California, everything from classic Ferraris to brand new 2025 Ferraris. We have systems available for it, and we're saving customers a ton of money. We sponsored this build, originally quoted at around $10,000. We slashed the price more than half. So we hooked this guy up. Now he can cruise down the streets of Miami and sound like an actual Ferrari, because the stock system sucked balls. You guys saw it, super heavy, weighed like 90 pounds per muffler. We upgraded with the titanium, so now it got weight reduction, got a better sound, the valves open up all the way. Thing is a sweet setup, guys. You guys see it, completely specced out, carbon fiber everywhere, the wheels looking crispy, front lip, carbon on the side skirts, carbon trunk, Wayne fucking gas tank carbon. The thing looks awesome, man. Rear diffuser looking crispy out the side. The customer completely decked this thing out with carbon, even got a trunk lip, carbon. Thing looks awesome, guys. So if you got a Ferrari, you want to wake your Ferrari up, this is where you come. You don't come to South Florida with a Ferrari and sound like fucking stock, bro. You gotta wake that thing up, stand out. This is why you bought this car. You worked your whole life to get yourself a damn Ferrari. You don't want no bullshit like stock. It sucks. So we upgraded. So yeah, man, I mean, not much more to say about the Ferrari except for we did our thing on it, you know? And yeah, you know, that's it. Ferrari California, G exhaust catback, titanium, baby. So shout out to Ferrari for making this, and then shout out to G Exhaust for making that exhaust. So yeah, you guys tell me what you think. If you're looking for a system, like I said, reach out. Just call G 954-708-6039, 954-708-6039. And we got shop in Davie, right by the Hard Rock. You can't see it anymore because this stupid ass building just was built, but there's a Hard Rock Hotel Casino Guitar behind that, and then we got Oakland Park, Willow Manors, baby. So and then we got gexhaust.com. And don't forget G Exhaust Instagram. We're running up on 300,000 followers. We got like 500,000-600,000 subs on YouTube. You know, hit that fucking subscribe button, guys. Help us get to 1 million, man. We did that 1 million mark. We got a huge sale. Everything's free. If we hit 1 million subs on YouTube, everything's free. All right? Free exhaust systems for the world. So we out.